Hi everyone, it's Fiona Fernandez in Pyrmont. I'm back. I've been away for the week. I've got a box quick. We've got to unbox the box quickly. I've got a team meeting tonight to catch up with them. So if you want to join my team, you're welcome to. Just go to fionafernandez.stampinup.net and there's a join section in there. You can have a look at that to see what that involves or talk to me. If you're ordering, the April host code is there. And that's also on the specials page on my Stampin Up site. So quick, if you're on my catalogue list to get a free catalogue, my customers and the people that are regularly on my email list that request one, I send them out. So they should be coming in the mail any day now. There's mine. That came while I was away. Quick, I've ordered a couple of things the other day. Now there is a last chance sale on now as well. I think I got this one before the last chance sale though. I've got some things some things are retiring because the other catalogue is finishing. So I'll just pull it open. And so what that means, let me just see if I've got any comments. I don't know if anyone's there or not. It means some things are going up in price as well. So I've grabbed a couple more things early because some things are going up in price. So that's the air that they put in the bag to keep things well padded, which is always good. So I've got the Hills of Tuscany. Now this one is so lovely and we're going to use this for my next class. So that is at the end of April. Let me just get the date. It's the 28th of April. So I do that on Zoom. See, if you do this one, you'll need the stamp set for that. Now, what is that in? I'm just trying to work out. Is that in the old catalogue or the new one? I've got to watch the clock too. I've got to be quick tonight. Quick. Hills. No, it must be the other one. It's in the mini catalogue that's going. So this one is the mini catalogue. So some things are retiring and some things are carrying over. If you need to know the answers to those questions, feel free to message me. Just looking for the Hills of Tuscany. Where are they? There they are, page 20 in your mini catalogue. And I'll be doing some cards with this set. So they've used the little frame for that one. That arch is off something else, and that's in the online exclusives. But this stamp set is retiring, so that will be gone. That's the one we're using for the class on Zoom. It's exciting. And I've got some new ribbon, pretty in pink. So this is coming out in the new catalogue. And if you join Stampin' Up now, you can get them in your kit, starter kit, and purchase them early. Or you can wait until they're available for customers in May. Now, what have I got here? I decided to get the Simply Zinnia set. These are in the online exclusive. So this is the whole suite of things. Comes with the embossing folder. So I'll use these soon in one of my lives. And that comes with, I'll get that in a minute. I can't get to it yet. Hang on, we'll come back to that. I got Unbounded Love because I wanted to. That's the dies that goes with that one. Unbounded Love dies. Now, the reason I got this goes with, I'm trying to think what it goes with. Something else. I just really like all the sayings on that. And the dies, check this out. Look at those dies. Aren't they gorgeous? That's why I got it, because they're so handy. Now, I think these ones are retiring, but I just wanted to get all of that because I just love those things. Beautiful. This is beautiful. Now you're going to ask me, what's that in? Hang on a minute. I've got a lot of white card and envelopes and stuff in here too. Let's see where it is. What's it called? Unbounded Love. I'm trying to think what it's in. It mustn't be in this one. Maybe it's in the new one. Oh, I can't remember. Sure, when your memory goes a bit, doesn't it? I've been away for a week. I've forgotten lots of things. It's not true. Unbound. It's in the new one. It's in the new catalogue. not dying at all. That's the new one coming out. This one. I think there's another one that's retiring that's similar with the dies, but I thought I'll go for a new one. That's what happened. Okay, let's envelopes, because you can't have enough envelopes. I sell cards as well, so I've got a few envelopes going there, and they're going up in price, so I decided to buy a few now. I've got some thick basic white cardstock, and I've got a few of those, and I've got some basic white cardstock. You can never have enough of that. And we got a few of the blends, the new colours, the new in colours. Hi Sandra, welcome. I'm just doing a really quick unboxing before my team meeting. I'm going to show you a few things. So there's some of the new in colours. So that's light, pretty and pink. So the blends come with 2 blends in a packet, dark and light. And I had to get Summer Splash because that is my favourite colour in the new colours. And I got the peach one. What's this one called? Where is it? Light Peach Pie and Dark Peach Pie. So I'll get the rest later. There's a few of those. Now here we go. Here's the zinnias. So I'll quickly open that. So this is something that is on the, what do you call it? I'm in trouble tonight with my words, aren't I? I've been away all week helping my daughter. Too busy, but it's busy. Just a little bit. I haven't been thinking Stampin' Up though. I have a little bit. I've been putting a few posts up because the last chance sale's on at the moment, so it's a great time to grab things. So this gorgeous paper, let's see if we can get the box. Let's get the box where we want it. Hang on. Upside down. Oh, hang on. We'll just get that out of the box. Right. So this one here is the adhesive backed shiny sequins. They're new, I think, or are they with the zinnias? They might be with the zinnias, actually. Look. I think they are. They're online exclusives. So this, I bought the whole suite, so yes, it will be. So I'll just show you the paper quickly. Let's have a quick look at the paper. It's so pretty. And I'm going to use some of this on Saturday in my making Mother's Day cards. I'm doing a session with people, and we're making Mother's Day cards. So I thought this would be perfect for that. Some florals. Really pretty. Look at all those papers. It's so bright, the colours too. Oh, look at the back of that. Now that'll go nice. Oh, I just got this new embossing folder recently. Look, that'll go really nicely with that. That's one of the new ones, so the new catalogue. Oh, leaves, look. I'll show you the dies in a second. And the beautiful flowers. So I'm thinking some of the dies probably cut out those. Oh, I love that. That's gorgeous. Look at that. I think some of the dies will cut some of these out. But okay. Right, let's get the dies out and have a quick look at those. Fiona being quick. Fiona's not often quick. If I'm making something, I go a bit slower. You doing any crafting, Sandra? So this is the dies that go with this. Let's see what one this matches. Oh, look, oh, I love those. Look at this. So there's another set called the Daisies, Daisy something, and they've got things like this in the Daisy ones, and they come up so nice when you use your blender brushes on the die cut piece. So die cut it out in white, and then use your blender brushes to blend it. It turns out so nice. I sold a card the other day with the daisies on it like that. I'm going to make some more, so I'm really pleased to see this one. Right, let's just see what size this fits. Does it fit one of these? What's that last one? Let's go to the last page. Oh, can't get it out. There we go. It's going to fit on there. Fingers crossed. Sometimes with these dies, when it matches something like this, you just keep turning it till you find the spot, the sweet spot of the die, and I'm hoping it does do it. It looks like it might. I just keep going until I work it out sometimes. Otherwise, we'll fussy cut it on the day. Maybe it doesn't. Oh, yeah, maybe it's... Oh, what do you reckon? About there? No, I haven't got it quite. Sure. Doesn't seem to want to cut that one, does it? So let's have a look at the stamp. The stamp looks like that. It's on a bit of an angle, that's why. It is on a bit of an angle. So it goes that way. Right, okay, so it must only be that one. And there's a die to cut these out as well. Look at those. They're gorgeous. Oh, you've been using the what? And enduring something? Oh, I missed that. Where did that comment go? I saw it flash up on my screen. But I can't see it anymore. It's disappeared. There's a new thing I saw today when I was in my comments for Instagram or Facebook. I'm not sure which one. And it was hiding my comments. And I thought, what's happening? So sometimes they update things and all of a sudden there's something new happening. So I feel like that might be something new that's happening. Comments are hiding. So Sandra, I saw something. Oh, there it is. There it is. Have been using the Enduring Beauty masks. Oh, lovely. I don't think I've got those ones. What are they in? They're in one of the minis or the new one? Look that up. Have a quick look. Enduring Beauty. Let me see if I can see that. Enduring Beauty. That's in the new catalogue too. 26. That's one that's already out though, isn't it? I think. Or are they the brand new ones? Oh no, they're in this catalogue here. They're in the mini catalogue and they're carrying over into the new catalogue. So I don't have them yet. This is what they look like if anyone's interested. And you layer to do your flowers and colour in by using the layers. And they have a little notch in the side of them so you can line them up. And I've seen them being used. I think we saw them at On Stage too. So that's a really nice set. And so you've got these nice leaves here that we saw some leaves in there. Oh look, we've even got the little stars in the middle of the flowers. See the little starry bits here? And around the flowers, they've got the little stars here. Cool. Oh, I really like that. I'm going to come with that on Saturday. Okay, we'll just put that over there. And the embossing folder. If you know me, you know I love embossing folders. And if you don't, now you do. I love them. Just love them. Love the patterns we get with embossing folders. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, look at that. Let's get that behind it. Does that work? Can't see it real well there. There we go. But once we emboss something with it, you will see it soon when I make something with it. I'll be posting it on my page. Okay, so that's it for today. And of course you've got these gorgeous little sequins, adhesive sequins. Adhesive back shiny sequins. Cool. So I didn't do my live last night because I was away. It was too awkward and I was a bit tired. Went to bed early. Got to do that some days, don't we? Oh, you love the zinnias too. Oh, good. That's lovely. Oh, I'd love to see some of your work. Better look you up. Okie dokie. Well, I'll sign off because I've got a team meeting in about 10 minutes and we'll just be chatting together as a team. Team is lots of fun because we just really encourage each other. Everybody sort of is at their own pace and the community is great, so we really enjoy it. And it's just good fun. So I do team meetings once every 2 months because that way, there's my name again, there's my name. Every second month we do it, and usually on a Tuesday night, and we just sort of chat a bit of what, you know, we talk about what's coming up with Stampin' Up and where everybody's up to, and then we usually make something together. So that's always a bit of fun. Okay, alrighty. Thanks for joining me, and if you're watching it later, thanks for watching later. I'll be putting it on YouTube as well. Okay, ciao.